step here. Qualification match number 43. Ready, 3, 2, 1, dive.
And we start things off with a quick move by Team 6824. The Robot Pigeons ramming into the Blue Alliance Reef. Same thing on the Red Alliance side. All three robots making it off the line. None of them scoring coral yet in this autonomous period. We're going to turn things over to the humans now. High Scalers immediately start by picking off algae from their reef. Meanwhile, on the Blue Alliance side, Robot Pigeons with that coral in their possession, looking for a place to score it. High Scalers continuing to clean up their reef as they go to the human player station, pick up their first piece of coral and look to find a place to score. Looks like they're going to start down at level 3. Meanwhile, their human player already scoring that first piece of algae up on the barge. 991 feeding algae through the processor for the Blue Alliance. Bronco Bots and their robot named Seahorse playing alongside the other members of their zoological alliance, the Robot Pigeons and the Blackbirds. As we come into a minute 20 on the clock, High Scalers scoring up high. That coral unfortunately falling through and scoring down low. That'll be 1 point there for the Red Alliance. They're playing alongside Robo Lynx from Lincoln County High School. The Lynx are now looking for an opening to score their next piece of coral, waiting patiently behind the High Scalers for their opportunity at the human player station. Rounding out the Red Alliance is Team 10186, and they're just picking up from the human players right now. Under a minute to go, and the score is tight, 51-39 in our real-time scoring. No coral yet hanging on the Blue Alliance reef just yet, though. 991 continuing to send algae into the processor. Human player very nearly managing to score it. 991 now over on the Red Alliance side of the field to play defense. As we come in on 30 seconds remaining on the clock, the High Scalers making their way around the Blue Alliance Bronco Bots as the Bronco Bots grab yet another piece of algae and deliver it down to their processor. Seems to be the primary method of scoring as 6824 still stuck with a coral in its possession, and we're through the end game now. 10 seconds remaining on the clock as teams park under the barge looking to hang. 5 seconds left. Can the High Scalers get off the ground? 3, 2, 1, and time. It's going to be the Red Alliance that takes the win. Your final score, 73-67. Red Alliance leaving with the 3 ranking points for the win, and all of the teams moving up in the rankings.